26. I'm going to do 10 minus 26, 15 minus 26, 20 minus 26, 20 minus 26, 20 minus 26. Remember, that was our mode. 25 minus 26, 30 minus 26, 35 minus 26, 40 minus 26, and then 45 minus 26. And then I'm just going to ask you guys, if our mean was 13, what would our first row be? If our mean was 13 instead of 26, what would we need to do? 10 minus, and I'm hoping you guys are seeing 13, if that was our mean. So in this next row, we're actually just going to do that subtraction. So they want us to just go to the calculator and figure out what do we get for each of these rows. 10 minus 26 is negative 16. 15 minus 26, negative 9. Negative 11. 20 minus 6, negative 6. 20 minus 6, negative 6. 20 minus 6, negative 6. 25 minus 6, negative 1. 30 minus 26, 4. 35 minus 26, 9. 40 minus 26, 14. And 45 minus 26, 19. And you guys can kind of notice that they're jumping by 5 for all of those different values, because that's exactly what our data value had jumped by as well. Now this next row, all they want us to do over here is take the absolute value. So the absolute value means just write the number without a negative. So what's the absolute value of negative 16? 16. I just write the number without the negative sign. So they're just trying to figure out what is the distance from 0 to this number. I know that distance is 16 units. The next one is 11. Next row is 6, 6, 6. Ooh, I don't like that number. 1 right here. Then we got 4, 9, 14, 19. Now what do we do in this next row? They want us to sum all these values up. That's what we do right here. We tell them the total. Let's figure out in decimals what is the total of these different values. Now this is going to take me away. I'm going to have to kind of remember them because I'm going to be toggling back and forth. So what I want you guys to do is maybe you can pause the video and go ahead and work and find your total. I'm going to be spending the next, well, I guess you can do it at the same time. I'm going to be spending the next couple of seconds putting this in decimals. So I got 16, 11. And let me go ahead and call this. I'm going to do it over here just so I can make sure these numbers don't disappear every time we come back. So I know we have, and let me zoom out so I can get a keyboard. All right. Let me figure out what decimals has going on. Okay. So we have 16. Plus 11, plus 6, plus 6. I really do not like this, you guys. Okay, let me zoom. Okay, I don't even know what this graph is doing. Okay, I'm gonna just type it into Google. I'm going to Google. We got 10 plus 11. 1, 4, 9, 14, 19. 1, 4, 9, 14, and 19. 86. That is the sum of those numbers. So my total right here is 86. And then what do I do to figure out the math? I have to divide the total by the number in my set. So how many numbers did we have? 10. So our mean absolute deviation, or our MAD, is just going to be 86 divided by 10, which is just 8.6. So that's actually us going ahead and working through number 1. So I hope you were able to follow along. I want you guys to just kind of try and attempt to work through this packet so that when we come back from the break, we're able to just hit the ground running with that Unit 4 exam and then go ahead and start working on that Unit 6 in preparation for our milestones. So have a great rest of your day. Take care.